Looking for a night to remember in Rome? Hungry for a culinary adventure? Look no farther than Trastevere. Trastevere in Rome transforms into a mesmerizing wonderland at night. You won't believe the enchanting sights I found. The Trastevere district knows hospitality, offering an array of hip bars and pulsating clubs that cater your every desire. Today, I'm taking you to an unforgettable journey through the magical streets of Trastevere, Rome. Let's talk food, because what's a night out without some delicious bites, right? Trastevere is a food lover's paradise. You can find everything from traditional Italian trattorias to trendy modern eateries. Whether you're craving a classic margherita pizza, a hearty plate of pasta, or something more adventurous, this neighborhood has got you covered for a truly authentic experience. Trastevere, a true gem of Rome, is a place where ancient charms meets modern excitement. It's no wonder why tourists and locals alike are full head over the heels for this neighborhood. So last time we were in Prati neighborhood. If you missed that video, I've linked it up here. Prati is in the north and we're just a few stops from Trastevere. First off, let's talk about Trastevere itself. This neighborhood is like the beating heart of Rome, but with its own unique vibe. Imagine narrow cobblestone streets that wind their way through charming old buildings. It's the perfect blend of history and modern culture, and as the sun sets, it comes alive in the most enchanting ways. With its vibrant atmosphere and jaw-dropping sight, Trastevere will steal your heart from the moment you step foot here. Trastevere is not just about the traditional, it's also a canvas for the contemporary. The streets come alive with vibrant street art and captivating graffiti, showcasing the creativity and spirit of the neighborhood.
Wait, so you know math? Mathematics?
If you're into photography or just love capturing cool spots for your Instagram feed, Trastevere street art is a gold mine. Trastevere boasts an eclectic mix of bars and pubs, each with its own unique charm. You can find everything from chic cocktails lounges to laid-back pubs. If you're into craft beer, you're in luck. There are several places offering an impressive selection of local and international brews. One of the best things about Trastevere is how it seamlessly blends the old with the new. You'll see the ancient buildings adorned with modern graffiti, historic churches standing next to trendy cafes, and traditional markets sharing space with contemporary art galleries. It's this unique mix that makes Trastevere so special. So, why should you visit Trastevere? Well, if you're looking for an authentic Roman experience, this is the place to be. It's vibrant, it's diverse, and it's bursting with life. Whether you're a foodie, an art lover, or just someone looking to explore a different side of Rome, Trastevere has something for you. As our night in Trastevere comes to an end, I head to the banks of the river where you can find more and more bars. We hope we've inspired you to add this amazing neighborhood to your travel bucket list. From its incredible street art and delicious food to its lively bars and welcoming community, Trastevere truly is a gem waiting to be discovered. Ciao ciao lovely people!